Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got started today on the purlins on the pole barn. We came out this morning, just jumped right on it. We almost gotten it completed. We got 4 of the sections done. The last 2, we've got the middle and the 2 bottom runs done. The common spacing on pole barns is 12 feet between your posts. So our purlins, which all a purlin is a 2x6 that runs on top of your trusses. Those are called purlins, the 2x6s. So you have 12 footers in all the interior sections. Your end sections will be 14 footers. That way you get your overhang. You let 14 footers run wild to the outside, and then whatever you want your overhang to be, you can cut them off. Normally it's about 20 inches from the truss is what I go. But it's pretty straightforward. Before you do get started, you want to make sure your end truss is straight. I go to the top of it and tie a plumb bob, and I hang it down, and I run a string between my 2 posts, and I make sure that plumb bob and that string line up. That's how you can make sure that first truss is straight. If it isn't straight, you can drive your stake in the ground, run your 2x4 back down to it and nail it off. You can use a come along winch, pull it whichever way you need to go. A ratchet strap can do it. But get that first one straight and then work from there. 2x6 12 footers don't come 12 foot. They come 12 foot 3/4 of an inch. So you got to cut them all on 12 foot. But just work with a measurement and stay there. Like that end down there, I measured between my trusses. I made sure this end was the same, and I made sure between each truss I had exactly the same. That way when I get to the other end, everything is copied from this half to this half. It'll help you on your square a lot. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Just make sure you get it screwed off good. Once we get them all up, we will check our square on it before we start putting metal on to make sure, you know, our metal is not going to be way off on it. I do have this third setup, first, second, third truss and post setup right there. It has shifted actually towards the camera, the top of it. So I'm going to have to take it probably 2 inches towards the fence. But I'll get that shifted over with either, like I said, a stake driven in the ground, or I'll push it with something and then hold it off there, nail it off, screw it off, and put my metal on while it's being held. And then that way when the metal's all done and screwed off, it won't ever come back. But I'll set the camera up so we can catch this last little bit of it. I just wanted to say something to y'all about it. Probably picking up the metal tomorrow so we can get going on that and put that in the rest of the video. But it's coming along good. It won't take us a whole lot longer to get this roof finished up. Then we can get the concrete slab inside framed up and get this thing going. But thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.